Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to fix Snapchat messages not showing. So there are many ways to fix this one and I'm gonna show you some. So first is enable notification within Snapchat app. So you go to settings and go to notifications and control center. Then go to app notification, and if you search Snapchat, make sure that it is toggled on. Next is ensure do not disturb mode is disabled. So if you swipe down and check if the do not disturb is on, so the notification will be silence and more. Next is you're gonna clear cache from your Snapchat chat settings. So if you go to settings, then go to apps, then go to manage apps, and if you search Snapchat, you can clear the cache. If it still doesn't work, you can log out and log back into Snapchat account. And you can also update Snapchat on Android and iOS. So to update Snapchat, you go to Play Store, then search Snapchat. So if you see open, it means that your app is already updated. If not, it will say here update. So that's when you need to update. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.